Today, we're diving into something that's been coming up a lot lately: where to buy reliable, refurbished IT hardware now that ServerSupply isn't the only game in town. ServerSupply has been around for years, but let's be honest, the market has evolved a little bit. Buyers expect better testing, cleaner warranties, and more transparent service. So, we're going to walk through the best alternatives to ServerSupply in 2025, what makes them stand out, and which one is right for your business. We'll also cover how to vet a refurbished server vendor before you buy, and we'll go over some quick recommendations as well. So, ServerSupply earned its reputation as a low-cost source for used and refurbished servers, switches, and components. But IT procurement has gotten more professional and expectations have shifted. Companies now want documentation, consistency, and longer warranties, not just the cost-effective listings with a short return window. If you've ever ordered from ServerSupply and have had questions about condition or firmware compatibility, you're not alone. So, more IT buyers are moving to specialized refurbishers that offer a true enterprise level experience. To start, we're going to look at Alta Technologies, which I'd consider the best all-around replacement for ServerSupply. They've been in business since 1995 and operate one of the largest in-house refurbishing facilities in the US. Every server they sell goes through full burn-in testing, firmware updates, and inspection. You can order complete systems or have them build something custom to your specifications. Their website is very transparent, with clear warranty options from 30 days to a full year. If you like ServerSupply's prices, but need enterprise-level quality control, Alta Technologies is probably your upgrade. They have thousands of clients, reviews, and even documentation and information to help you get started. Next up is ServerMonkey, based in Houston, Texas. They're known for their user-friendly website and fast fulfillment. Unlike ServerSupply, everything is clearly labeled, graded, and priced online, because sometimes ServerSupply had some hidden surprises. ServerMonkey's 1-year warranty is standard, and their customer service is very responsive. If you just want to hop online, configure a server, and check out like you would on Amazon, ServerMonkey makes that possible. Is CDW Refurbished. For enterprise buyers or organizations that require compliance documentation, CDW is a smart option. CDW already has deep relationships with manufacturers and other large clients, and their refurbished program gives you verified corporate grade hardware with proper paperwork and warranties. If you work in government, education, or corporate IT, this is the kind of vendor your procurement team will love. They have a variety of options and a variety of hardware options, software, and different solutions that will really help your organization. If cost-effective options to help fit a firm budget is your priority, PC Liquidations is also a good option. They specialize in affordable, tested IT hardware, from desktops to servers to telecommunications gear. They don't have the flashiest website, but their prices are very cost-effective, and their testing process is solid. Most products come with a 90-day warranty, and reviews are consistently strong for packaging and reliability. For smaller businesses or even some schools, this is a great way to stretch your IT budget. As you can see, they have a certified process for all of their refurbished parts. This way you know exactly what you're getting and when you're getting it. If you're the kind of buyer who wants refurbished gear that feels brand new, check out TechMike NY. As the name suggests, they're based out of Brooklyn, New York, and they're known for their meticulous attention to detail, especially with Dell and HP servers. And they have hardware and equipment for any application. Every system is burned in and tested before shipping, and you can customize everything. CPU, RAM, RAID, firmware, down to the smallest detail. They offer extended warranties in premium packaging, so it's perfect for IT consultants or MSPs who need plug-and-play reliability. And as the name suggests, their leading expert at TechMike in New York is their tech guru, Mike. So you know there is a name and face behind the service you're getting. And we can take a look at the bottom and see the man behind the operation. Now, Vibrant Technologies has been in the refurbished IT market since 1998 and is known for its large enterprise-grade level inventory. They stock everything from Dell and HPE servers to Cisco networking, and they regularly work with global enterprise buyers who need consistent supply or support for older EOL systems. Their strength is scale, but they manage a large warehouse, offer custom configurations, and provide extended warranties depending on the product line. As you can see, they have a variety of server brands and models. And if you're sourcing for a data center, managing multi-site operations, or dealing with large infrastructure refreshes, Vibrant Technologies is a strong option. If you're buying small quantities or need a highly modern configuration, they may be more big shop oriented, but they're still probably worth a look. Up is IT Creations. They're known for quality, custom configured servers and workstations. You can specify the exact CPU, RAM, storage, and RAID setup you need, and their team builds and tests the system before shipping. They're also one of the few refurbishers offering extended multi-year warranties on full systems, which makes them attractive for MSPs and enterprise-level IT teams. They also offer fast fulfillment and support urgent deployments, which is also why they're popular with buyers who need hardware quickly without sacrificing quality. Xbyte is best known as a Dell specialist. So if your environment is built around Dell PowerEdge servers or Dell OEM components, Xbyte is one of the most consistent suppliers in terms of part authenticity, firmware compatibility, and build quality. They also offer strong technical support, especially around BIOS versions, RAID issues, or matching parts across large server fleets. If you want a set it and forget it Dell-focused supplier, Xbyte is a reliable choice. The last option that we're going to take a look at is usedcisco.com. Like Xbyte, Used Cisco specializes around a specific brand, Cisco, and they focus almost entirely on Cisco switches, routers, and telecom gear. They carry a deep inventory of both current and legacy equipment, which makes them useful for environments where you need older modules or line cards that are no longer easy to find. Their strength is their quality control and their specialization. On their website, they clearly list out their quality control checklist and advantages with working with Cisco, including some of their large customers. In supporting almost exclusively Cisco equipment, their strength is specialization. They specialize in Cisco gear's quirks and compatibility concerns, and they are the premium dedicated Cisco refurbisher, which usually performs more rigorous testing than a general hardware supplier. If your team is Cisco heavy, this is a practical ServerSupply alternative, and their site is chock full of information that can help you make the right choice with brands and models, including even an appropriate vendor if Cisco may not be the right option for you. They'll help direct you to the best possible supplier to make your search easy. Before you buy from any refurbisher, even one with great reviews, take a few minutes to vet them properly. You'll want to look into their testing processes and whether it's done in-house. True refurbishers will provide documentation and serial tracking. You'll also want to check their response time. When you send an email with your initial inquiry, keep track of how quickly they reply. That's normally a good indicator of post-sale support. You'll also want to ask about firmware or configuration assistance. The best vendors like Alta Technologies or IT Creations or ServerMonkey will help you align firmware versions or RAID setups with your current environment before shipping. And that's a huge plus to avoid headaches down the road. Finally, you'll want to look into the different warranty options that the vendors provide. The best vendors will help provide a warranty package that fits your team's needs best. The bottom line is this: ServerSupply played an important role in the early days of the refurbished IT market, but the industry has matured, and most buyers may have a better option. If you need the best overall replacement with the best top-tier service overall, Alta Technologies is likely the clear winner. If you prefer easy online shopping, IT Creations and ServerMonkey are both fantastic. If you're working with a firm budget, PC Liquidations gives you great value for the price. For enterprise-level sourcing or Dell environments, Vibrant Technologies, Xbyte, and CDW have you covered. The big takeaway is there's no best vendor for every company. There are going to be a few vendors that fit different companies' needs better, and there are multiple options depending on your team's needs.